Another day of difficult testimony, best way to describe it, in a Fort Worth courtroom. Today, the state presented scientific evidence from Athena Strand's sexual assault kit. During what is still the penalty phase of this trial, there's already been a guilty plea. A DNA analyst took the stand and helped jurors understand those test results. Lauren Crawford, live for us now outside the courtroom. What did the jury hear that you think might have the biggest impact today?
Hi, Doug. Well, this was probably the most significant forensic evidence that we've seen in the trial so far. And after hours of emotional testimony from two women who claimed that they were sexually assaulted by Tanner Horner when they were just minors, well, the jury ended the day hearing new lab findings that the prosecution may argue support directly what happened to Athena. Now, a forensic DNA analyst testified remotely, explaining how the evidence in this case was collected and tested at a DPS crime lab back in early 2023. The jury heard samples from Athena Strand's sexual assault kit tested positive for male DNA, while other results were inconclusive. She also walked through the testing process and told jurors that Horner's clothing collected showed the presence of blood and other biological evidence. Now, that forensic evidence now part of what jurors will consider as they determine what happens next.
Where it will let us know how much total human DNA is present in the sample, as well as how much male DNA and along with it. It will also let us know if there are any quality indicators associated with the data, or if there's anything that needs to be looked into further.
And today, jurors also saw Tanner Horner's internet history just days after Athena Strand was killed. That technology expert who was a data analyst plus this DNA analyst really goes to show that this science is trying to back up and prove the story that the prosecution has told all along. Live in Fort Worth, Lauren Crawford, CBS News, Texas.
All right, Lauren, thanks so very much. And we know this has been a trial that a lot of people have been watching online. We're streaming that trial live. CBS News Texas live stream each day that they're in session. It's on our app, on our YouTube page, and also streaming as well on YouTube TV. Again, we do that daily when they're in session.